Hello, welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France and Gail, and today we are in Gail's kitchen in Florida.
So tonight we're making Greek Mediterranean fish, and we're using fresh cod. So we want a nice white fish.
Nice.
For this one.
Okay, so we start first by cooking a little bit, just sealing, huh?
Yes, we're going to sear it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side with a little bit of olive oil. What we've done is we've prepared the fish with some salt and pepper and some blackened spice. So we're going to take, we've got 4 6-ounce pieces of fish.
Perfect.
Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah.
And we're going to try to time this for about 3 to 4 minutes. So that'll be 3 minutes. So we're going to take the fish out as soon as we finish searing it on both sides. And then we're going to add some vegetables to the pan.
There was a big onion, half of it here, and 1 red pepper or capsicum, and we have 4 big cloves of garlic. We love the garlic, and there's a big cup of nice cherry tomato.
Yes,
and then we're gonna add half a cup of chicken stock. And then also at the end, we have like 3/4 of a cup of Kalamata olives. That makes it really Greek. And then we're gonna serve with the lemon. Yeah. So, how are we going there?
We've got 2 more minutes, one and a half minutes. So
Okay.
Oh, that's getting seared so beautifully. It's smelling so good, and it's going to be
nice.
Very well cut caught fish. So we don't use frozen fish. We use the fresh.
And there's plenty of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just so delicious when it's fresh.
It is.
Okay.
Flip these over now. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Beautifully blackened. Oh, look at it's already starting to flake.
It's just perfect.
Oh, it's going to be so good. Okay.
So that's gonna go just a couple of more minutes because we take them all out, and then we will add all our vegetables and then put them back on top to get all the flavors through.
Yeah. So we'll put them back, the fish back on for about 3 more minutes. To just on top of the vegetables.
But the thing with fish, and the secret with fish, is really to not cook it too much.
Yeah.
That's the problem with fish sometimes when we buy it in restaurants.
Yeah.
If you make it at home, please don't cook it too much. You know, it has to be still wet a little bit in the middle.
Yes.
That's when it's ready and
just
it's good.
turning opaque.
Yeah, and we will serve that with some Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
They've been in the oven, so it's quite a simple way to make them, and it's so delicious. Just have your Brussels sprouts cut in 2, and then we put a little bit of onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil, and mix it all together and just put that in the oven. It just brings the flavor, and it's very delicious.
Okay.
And it goes with everything. You can serve that all the time with everything. It's just so nice. Okay,
right.
I'm just gonna hold that. So they're coming out of the pan, but they will go back in a few minutes.
Oh, doesn't that smell good?
Okay, lovely.
Right.
I think we can place them right here for the moment.
So we're going to just put a little bit
more oil. And then we'll put in all of our vegetable, onion, red peppers, garlic.
Get every last little bit of that beautiful garlic.
Don't waste any. This is so nice. And the tomato here.
Just cook these for a couple of minutes till they get soft, so the tomatoes don't fall apart.
Exactly. Because tomato, you don't want them all mushy. You want them to be still a little bit firm. So
we're going to put some fresh dried basil, but it was
from your garden
yes.
in Canada, yes?
Yes.
Mm.
And a little bit
Himalayan salt.
And a little touch of pepper. And we're just sweating. We're just causing this to sweat a little bit so that the onion turns transparent. It goes from white to just turning transparent. We don't want to cook the red peppers too much either because they're so nice when they're a little bit crunchy but hot, but the flavor of all of that together is just going to be so amazing. All right, so now.
Oh, that smells very nice, very nice.
Okay, so I think we'll put the tomatoes on top now. And that'll add a little bit of juice, but we're going to put the chicken stock. Oh, listen to that. Just beautiful. Bubbling up and just steaming. We're going to just steam everything now.
That will taste really nice.
It'll
And
get nice and warm.
Yeah. Voila.
All
the juice as well because
Yes.
it's going to get through and it's going to be so nice. Put the fish back.
Okay.
So our fish is ready already. It took all of maybe 10 minutes altogether just to make. So it's another very easy to make recipe, and it's here and it's all ready. And look at
how
this.
beautiful
Oh,
that
and it smells beautiful. So we're gonna plate it now.
Okay.
We have our Brussels sprout. As I said, they were just in the oven at about 375 with some onion and garlic and a bit of olive oil.
Okay.
So that's beautiful.
One fish.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice.
Isn't this gonna be pretty?
With the olives and the tomato.
A
so
little bit
delicious.
more.
Wow.
And then we put a little sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a lemon wedge. And voila!
Oh,
We
this
have
is
Greek Mediterranean fish.
yes, codfish today.
Codfish.
So let's go and eat.
Bon appetit!
Yes.
Oh my
So
goodness.
let's eat. Oh, the fish was lovely.
Oh, was it ever good?
Delicious. Yeah.
Wow.
And now we have our nice little dessert here. So what do we have, Gail?
Well, we started on the bottom with cantaloupe, and then we have red grapefruit, pineapple, and beautiful Florida orange on top. And then to go with our Mediterranean Greek fish dish, we're having Greek yogurt on top, vanilla, just a little dollop, and some 85% dark chocolate. Just because we can.
Yes, absolutely. So
here we
let's
go.
try this. It's just a healthy dinner. This is what we do. You can really eat healthy and still so delicious. Bon appetit. Nice? Yeah, fresh fruit.
Very good.
Can't go wrong.